Well, I would think, if you're ranking the best Filipino billiard players today, Johan would be in the conversation along with Carlo Biado. Johan Chua would be a close second. Rail first.
Wow, good speed.
Naalala ko first time ko pa nga na-cover si Johan, tayo pa magkasama. Silang dalawa ni Anton yung magkalaban. Kaya naman.
Kaya naman.
Yeah.
Ata. Yun.
Yes.
Okay.
Ayan, Anton.
One more win will send them to the hill. Nice.
Ganun ba? Sa taas
Parang
yun.
Ano siya eh. Bigla siyang napatigil dun eh.
Sa taas.
Simple stun. Mavs about to get double digits. Nice
Lakas
try.
ng poses ni Hidalgo.